What's up, you guys? I have a new tutorial for you today. This is a 5x5 lace closure sewing. I'm going to show you how to do it from start to finish. Making those braids really small and just keeping everything neat will help that closure lay flat, and it will help your sewing look really flat and really neat. Always moisturize the hair before you braid. It will help you braid faster, and it will help the hair from getting dry. Definitely gonna oil that scalp, you guys. You gotta make sure you moisturize that scalp, especially if you're gonna leave the sewing in for a few months. And here I'm just using the weaving net. I like the weaving net because it's less tension on the braids, and it also makes the sewing lay flatter. So right here, when cutting the stocking cap off, you want to make sure that you cut off right before the hairline. You want to make sure that all of the edges are covered, so when that you put the glue down, that all of the edges will be protected. I'm doing a little plucking here to make the closure look a little more natural. When you're plucking, make sure you have a fresh pair of tweezers. I'm using some powder foundation to blend in the lace and conceal some of those knots. I'm also using Bow Hold Active for my glue. I do about 2 to 3 coats, and that should be enough to give it a good hold. I didn't record myself sewing the actual closure on, so I'm sorry. I will do that in another video. So here, that band that you see right there, I actually sewed that band onto the closure, and it's also helping to pull that closure tight. Here I'm using my slick stick, and the slick stick is going to help lay the hair flat while I press it, and it's going to help lay down any flyaways. And so this is the final look, you guys. I love it. I love this color. If you have any questions, just hit a comment down below. I have a description of all of the products that I use on this style. This hair is actually from my Brazilian line. I will also have a link to my website where you can purchase that as well. And you know what? Just thank you guys for watching.